Welcome to the test drive of the Tesla Model Y. We are test driving it in Hyderabad, and I'll showcase the car, how it looks when we are driving. This is the Model Y, which you have seen earlier, and this is in Hyderabad. Let's go in. That's how the car looks from inside. Pretty minimalistic look. Full sunroof, but it doesn't open. It's a fixed roof. So let's go and drive the car.
Controls. Okay. And when you want to adjust your steering, it is just like this.
Okay. And
Okay.
does it? Okay.
And it comes out like this, and it goes inside like this.
So if I do this, this goes down and this goes up. And if I do this, it goes in and it comes out.
Yes.
Okay. Done. This is the dead pedal.
And even the mirrors, you can check your mirrors.
I need to adjust it.
So right now you are adjusting left. So you adjust it with this.
Okay, so everything is to be done from here
Yes,
only.
yes, yes, yes.
So it's up, down, and right and left.
Yes. So now
No,
you are
no.
adjusting right. So basically,
This is for the up.
rotate is like this. So like now.
Okay.
Now chill and
No, drive mode.
sports mode. So
Huh.
this is sports and chill. So now this is sports mode.
Okay, this is oh. Really, I have to tell the inspiration is too good. We can go straight, take a U-turn,
Yeah,
come and go
yeah,
like
yeah.
this.
Yes.
This is the way to adjust your AC vents. So direction, up, down, spread in the car. So everything is
And
almost
also there is a swing thing. So this will swing.
so it's automatically it's swinging. So everything is digitalized. This is the gearbox. So this is to go in forward. This is to go in back. So there is no gear and there is no knob as well inside. And this is the most important switch. So all the things you control from here. For the right, left, you have to toggle it right, left, and for selecting, you have to press here.
And then the sitting. So we have three models.
Okay.
Sorry, 3 levels in cool.
Okay.
And 3 levels in heat.
Both the front seats are like that.
Both front seats and even the rears also.
Okay. Can you show the regeneration once again?
Regeneration. So we have this
Reduced and standard. So I'll just take you through the menu. That's the controls for the lights and the window. This is for the regeneration and deceleration. This is for the charging. This is for the self-driving. It is not available in India as of now. This is for the door lock and the phone lock. Okay. These are for the lights, and this is for the seats, for the angle reclination. Okay. This is for the display, the brightness you want, and I guess this is for the
Preconditioning.
scheduled cooling.
Yes.
This is for the safety.
Sentry mode. So if it is parked outside, right, it will start recording from the outside cameras. If somebody is standing next to your car for more than 10 seconds, it will record the clip.
Great.
If they are trying to open the car also, this will
So
send you a
it
notification.
is involved with the installed dash cam is installed.
Yes,
Okay, great. And this is for the service intervals. And just one thing to tell, this car doesn't need any regular service. Everything is almost everything to be done automatically over the air from this particular setup. And this is the Model Y currently, and that is what all about the car. Just check the boot space. There's so many. It's a huge, despite all the rear seats are actually folded up. And this is how the car looks from behind. And this is the boot carrying capacity. You can store as much as you want to store. And it comes with the electric closed tailgate. And this is how it gets closed. So people who want to know how to charge this vehicle, this is the place from where you can open, and it's a universal charger. You can charge in your home, and they will give a charger as well included in the pricing of the car, and you can charge it universally. So any of the fast chargers available on the highways, it can be charged. So this can be charged as well, and you just close it. Simple. That's it. So thankfully there is no gearbox as this is an electric car, but we see the amount of space we have in forward. Does the screen rotate?
No.
Okay. This is a fixed screen. Important is that the view is actually very good in the rear. Overall, the space, leg space is also great. headspace, shoulder room. Take it down. I must say that all of you, if you are in Hyderabad or in Mumbai or in Delhi, 3 places the showrooms are there, contact your nearby Tesla showrooms and definitely go for the test drive. This is the Model Y which you have driven. You can see the earlier video which is in the YouTube shorts and in my Instagram reel. You can check that for the details of the pricing and the specifications. The details will be mentioned in the description below as well. Thank you, Tesla team in Hyderabad.